Hey there everybody, Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the S&P for today, which is Monday, August 24th. Now, what I want to talk about is Thursday of last week, we actually sent out on our members video a signal talking about a short setup for the S&P. And that was a short on Friday if it broke through 2023 with a target of 2050 or in between 2046 and a quarter and 2050, which we got there, as you can see. And it proceeded to break through that support, come all the way down. Today, we had a huge sell-off pre-market. The S&P was limit down, the NASDAQ was limit down, and then we ended up reversing and bouncing back up after the market opened. But what's interesting about it is look at our momentum. And all this, we kind of expected this to happen. The reason we expected it to happen was, one, we had been trading sideways in this channel for about 4 or 5 months, okay? 2, look at our monthly momentum. So if you look at the monthly price chart for the S&P, the momentum has just died over the past 6 months. All right, so while it was in this channel, momentum was just decreasing. So we had a bearish divergence there. And then we broke out of the channel and shot to the downside, broke through the support, and it went all the way down, hit significantly undervalued, and has since then retraced a bit. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say we are in a bear market yet. What I would want to see before I'm convinced that this is going to really take off is I want to see it go down below 1791. Then once that would happen, then I say, okay, now our weekly trend is completely shifted to downside, and we are looking at a big down market now. But until then, we're just kind of neutral on the market as a whole. Now, the interesting thing about it is if you look at your daily price chart, we may actually get a bounce tomorrow. And the reason being, look at the price bar today. All right, we have a hammer, a very nice hammer setting up. Now, there's still 4 hours worth of trading to go today, or 3 hours worth of trading to go today. But if we can close up here near the open, then I would definitely be watching for a bit of a bounce tomorrow. And now we could very easily, honestly, see this bounce all the way back up from significantly undervalued back up into up around the 21 and a quarter level. So just be keeping an eye on it. For now, it's looking like it could be forming a hammer on the dailies. And if that happens, then we'll watch for a break at today's high tomorrow to confirm. And then we look for at least a bounce back up to the 2023 support that we had previously broken. All right, that's all I have for you for today. I hope it helps. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow. And until next time, happy trading.